Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Nike SB Low Pro in the Hennessy colorway. Now before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23, as well as the Soul Luxury. That is my brand right here. Got a lot of new merch, new colors, new items, a lot of stuff. Go check it out. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. So the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in the Hennessy colorway did drop a few months ago. I want to say it was like April. Retail at $100. Now I got the shoe here. I am going to be showing you guys a lace swap video and just going over the shoe. Starting off with the box. It does come in a purple Nike SB box. Pretty cool. Like I said, retail $100. Bam! The Nike SB Dunk Low Hennessy. This is just a solid colorway. Probably won't want to wear this shoe in the winter just because of the suede material on the upper. It's definitely going to get ruined if you're wearing this in the snow. But yeah, I definitely say keep it in the dry seasons. You don't want to get these wet. Will easily stain. Now talking about the material, the quality on here is absolutely A1. When it comes to SB Dunks, you cannot go wrong. The quality is on point. Retail $100. This tan-like upper. You got a black Nike swoosh. Heel section, you do have a patent leather tab in this like gold color. A black Nike sign, same color, cream tongue. Nike SB logo in black up on the tongue tag. So the shoe does come with black laces, but does come with an extra pair of light cream, almost like a banana colored lace. You got this Hennessy type color on the lining and the insole. The Nike SB logo inside with Zoom Air on the insole. Again, that maroon Hennessy type color on the midsole and outsole. You have black with Nike SB in the middle. Like I said, this is just a very clean color. I think it stands out a lot, but can go with plenty of outfits. But with that being said, let's get into the lace swap.
I'm feeling like Neo. Need me a Trinity, need me a trio. Yeah, I'm Keanu, you know I'm the one. Just got the Nikes in the fear of God. She said Siaga, but I said Valencia. I dribble 12 and right on a damn feet. She wanna be a baddie just like Cardi B. I wanna be a legend just like 50. You broke my heart.
Bam! The Nike SB Low Pro in the Hennessy colorway. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. What do you think of the lace swap? Which color laces did you like best? Let me know all that good stuff below. Were you able to cop this on release day? Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Again, the Soul Luxury on Instagram. That's my brand, Soul Luxury. A lot of new merch. Go check it out. But with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.